Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 30th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro-US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar monthly, I still think this is either a running flat wave C or an expanding flat wave C. Either scenario, I don't think it's that important to know whether it's going to look like this or whether it's going to look like this at this point, because either way, it should lead to a really big uptrend. Heading down to the weekly time frame, I definitely still think this is the end of a wave 2. I think this right here would be a wave 1 of 3. I think this is a WXY 2 of 3. And I still think this is very likely already in that wave 3 of a wave C expanding flat or wave C running flat. Heading down to the daily time frame, we've definitely been going down for quite a while, but I think this is the end of a crescent, end of a 2. I think this wave 5 is the end of a trend, end of a 1, and I think we're already in that wave 3 trend. I do think there's a very good likelihood on these higher time frames that will continue to make higher highs, higher lows in this big wave 3 trend, forming that pattern like I was showing on the monthly and weekly time frame. Heading down to the daily time frame. Now, I think this right here is actually supposed to be the wave 5 of this uptrend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, especially looking at correlated pairs. That fits perfectly because that makes this a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A. That makes this a 1, 2, 3 of B. And that makes this push down right here a wave C. It really looks like we could be lacking a wave 4, a wave 5 on this wave C. And we do have some dollar news today, so if it does go down one more time, it would actually make for a very clear pattern. If it goes down, respects the fib level, goes back up and breaks structure, helping to confirm that this really is the end of an ABC crescent. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I was just explaining on the 4 hour, this definitely looks like a wave A. This looks like 1, 2, 3 waves up for a wave B. And this wave C, if it is a wave C, definitely looks like it's lacking a wave 4 and a wave 5. It looks like a 1, 2, and then this looks like a 3. Doesn't really look like it made a wave 4 and a wave 5. Now this move up actually looks a little too strong to be a wave 4, but we have news today, and it wouldn't surprise me at all if it did go down one more time to make a wave 5, then bounce from a fib level, then go up and then break structure. Now, that definitely would make for a much clearer pattern for a wave C, but sometimes you don't get those 3, 4, 5 shapes on wave C. Sometimes they actually just turn and just keep on trending up, making those higher highs and those higher lows. So be careful with today's news. It looks like it needs to go down one more time, but it actually could very easily just blast off, especially because I think we are in a big wave 3 on the daily, weekly, and monthly. And when you're in a wave 3, that's supposed to be the strongest wave of a trend. So there's a pretty good chance this is going to just keep on trending up in those much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and take a look at my website, which is linked here, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live trading sessions. As always, thank you and happy trading.